Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters, your home for the latest in tools and innovation. Today we're checking out 20 new Bosch tools that will blow your mind with their power, precision, and smart design. Cordless Planer. The Cordless Planer combines power and precision to make woodworking easier and more accurate. Its compact blue design offers comfortable handling, while the efficient dust extraction system keeps the workspace clean. Reliable and easy to use, it's ideal for achieving smooth professional results on any project. Screwdriver bit. The Bosch PH2 double-ended screwdriver bits are engineered for impact tools, providing exceptional strength and durability in high-torque applications. Made from premium heat-treated S2M steel, they offer excellent hardness and wear resistance for long-lasting use. Rotary Hammer. The Bosch Rotary Hammer delivers powerful, efficient performance with its brushless motor and SDS Max compatibility. Designed for tough drilling and chiseling, it offers enhanced safety through kickback control and a safety clutch. Its ergonomic, vibration-damp design reduces fatigue. Laser Measure. The Bosch Laser Measure provides precise, long-range measurements with a bright green laser for excellent visibility indoors. Built for tough job sites, it features 1.5 meter drop resistance, IP65 protection, and a shock-absorbing casing, while the integrated tilt sensor ensures accurate 360-degree angle in leveling measurements for versatile use. Impact Driver. The Bosch Impact Driver delivers a powerful 215 Newton-meters torque for demanding fastening tasks across various materials. Its compact 137mm head length and lightweight 1.1 kilogram design ensure easy handling in tight spaces, while the ergonomic grip and built-in LED light provide comfort and visibility for precise, efficient work. Small Angle Grinder. The Bosch Small Angle Grinder delivers powerful, reliable performance for daily grinding, cutting, and deburring tasks. Its high-performance motor ensures fast material removal and excellent overload capacity, making tough jobs easier. With a compact, lightweight design and ergonomic grip, it offers superior comfort and control, reducing fatigue and enhancing precision during extended use. Grass Trimmer. The Bosch Universal Grass Cut Grass Trimmer delivers powerful, flexible performance for effortless garden maintenance. Its adjustable V-shaped handle ensures comfort, while IntelliFeed technology provides automatic line feeding for continuous trimming. Rebar Cutter Drill Bit. The Bosch Rebar Cutter Drill Bit is built for durability and precision, featuring a 25mm cutting diameter, 90-degree cutting angle, and SDS Plus shank for secure fitting and efficient power transfer, ideal for cutting through rebar and reinforced concrete. Bosch Polisher. The Bosch Polisher delivers 950 watts of power with variable speeds from 600 to 2,100 RPM for smooth, precise results. Its ergonomic vertical design reduces fatigue, while soft start and constant speed functions ensure consistent, controlled polishing. Mitre Saw. The Bosch Professional. Mitre Saw delivers powerful, precise cutting with lasting accuracy. Its integrated LED light provides a clear cutting line, while the strong motor and adjustable workpiece support ensure effortless handling of large materials for professional wood and aluminum work. Impact Driver Wrench. The Bosch Impact Driver Wrench delivers exceptional power with 780 Newton-meters tightening and 1,000 Newton-meters untightening torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty bolting tasks. Its compact 170mm design allows easy use in tight spaces, while the durable 1/2-inch tool holder with a protection ring ensures long-lasting reliability. Reciprocating Saw. The Bosch Reciprocating Saw delivers powerful, fast cutting with a long 30mm stroke and optimized vibration control for smooth performance, especially in metal pipes. Its improved ergonomic grip design ensures comfort and control in any working position, making it ideal for demanding cutting tasks. Cordless Rotary Hammer. The Bosch Cordless Rotary Hammer delivers exceptional performance with 5.8 joule impact energy and 2,900 beats per minute for demanding concrete work. Its three-mode operation drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling offers versatility and precision, with soft start control for smoother handling. It provides maximum efficiency, durability, and quick accessory changes for uninterrupted productivity. Orbital Sander. The Bosch Orbital Sander offers smooth, effortless sanding with minimal fatigue, featuring a low vibration level of 3.0 meters per second squared. Its well-balanced, ergonomic design with an anti-skid grip ensures comfortable handling in any direction, while the efficient dust management system captures up to 83.5% of dust for a cleaner workspace and easy disposal. Flap disc. The Bosch flap disc delivers fast, efficient metal grinding with rapid stock removal using durable aluminum oxide zirconia grains. Its strong X-cloth backing ensures stability during use, and the 22.23 millimeter bore-fit standard locking nut angle grinders for reliable, high-performance operation. Rotary Hammer with OneChuck. The Bosch Rotary Hammer with OneChuck offers unmatched versatility, featuring a single chuck compatible with SDS Plus, cylindrical, and hex drill bits. It ensures a cleaner workspace with the auto-powered GDE extractor attachment and enhanced safety through kickback control. Industrial Impact Wrench. The Industrial Impact Wrench delivers powerful, consistent torque for professional tightening tasks with an auto shutoff function that ensures precise results. Its LED torque indicator and buzzer confirm correct torque delivery, improving accuracy and efficiency. Ideal for metal-to-metal applications in automotive, commercial, and assembly line environments. Impact Drill Kits. The Bosch Impact Drill Kit features a powerful 600-watt motor built for durability and reliable performance in demanding tasks. It offers variable speed control up to 3,000 RPM and 48,000 BPM for precision drilling, along with a 13 millimeter chuck capacity and 1.4 Newton meters torque for standard applications. GRW 140 Mixer. The GRW 140 mixer delivers powerful and efficient mixing with its 1,400-watt motor and a no-load speed of 750 revolutions per minute, ideal for large volumes of paint, cement, plaster, or putty. Its ergonomic wheel-shaped handle ensures comfortable use over long periods, while soft start and two-speed selection provides smooth, controlled operation. Table saw. The table saw delivers powerful, precise performance with an 1,800-watt motor offering high torque and overload capacity. It provides a 545 millimeter rip cut range and cutting depths of 80 millimeters at 90 degrees and 55 millimeters at 45 degrees, ideal for a wide range of woodworking tasks. That's it for today's look at 20 amazing new Bosch tools. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more from the Chop Busters.